If you have ever finished a job and heard a customer say, yeah, I'm happy to leave you a review, but then never saw it, you're not alone. Only about 10% of customers actually write a review after being asked if there isn't a reminder or automated nudge in place. And that stings, especially because it's estimated that 90% of Americans like to read reviews before picking a business, and up to 79% even trust those reviews as much as a recommendation from a friend. Every time that you miss a review, that's less social proof and possibly missed revenue. And a lack of reviews can really leave your business behind competitors, while getting more reviews can boost your sales. NiceJob is designed to fix all of this by making it simple for customers to actually follow through and submit those reviews so that you don't have to chase every single customer. And let's dive into how NiceJob uses automation to bring those reviews in without making more work for stressed out business owners like yourself. Most business owners know that, following up for reviews, that can feel awkward, time consuming, or just plain easy to forget in the bustle of day-to-day work. NiceJob flips the script here. So after you wrap up a job, their system automatically sends out a customized review request to your customer, usually by text or email, so the memory of their positive experience is fresh. Suppose that you own a window cleaning business. So instead of wondering if clients will actually remember that you asked for a review while you're busy juggling appointments, NiceJob will swoop in and send that review request for you automatically. And if your customer doesn't respond right away, it gently keeps the conversation going through smart reminders so the chance to get their feedback doesn't slip through the cracks. But the automation doesn't stop there either. NiceJob can also share your best reviews automatically to places like Facebook or your business website, helping you build your online reputation and put those great client stories in the front of future customers. This means that you get all the benefits of glowing testimonials without spending extra time or energy promoting them yourself. Well, let's shift gears here and see how NiceJob connects with these platforms that you already use for even more stress-free reputation management. But one thing here before we continue on, so getting reviews, it should feel easy, not stressful. That's why NiceJob is built to make collecting and sharing customer reviews a breeze. Now you do get automated review requests, reminders, and helpful support. So all you really have to do is focus on your business while NiceJob brings in the positive feedback. So if at any point in this video here, you want to see just how simple the platform is to use, go ahead and click on the link right up here and give it a test drive with a completely free 14-day trial. And also, if you end up upgrading later with that link there, it'll allow you to get the absolute best price available. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to the integrations here. So for online reviews, NiceJob directly integrates with major sites like Google, Facebook, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, TripAdvisor, and more. So whether your customers want to post feedback on Google or Facebook, NiceJob can help collect and display those reviews without you having to jump between tabs or copying and pasting things. And that's just the start. Now, NiceJob also connects with a big range of business tools, like field service software, appointment schedulers, accounting apps, and CRMs. So for example, NiceJob works with popular platforms like QuickBooks, Jobber, Housecall Pro, FieldPulse, Xero, HubSpot, and Clio. So when you close out a job or send an invoice in those systems, NiceJob can automatically sync the customer's info and kick off a review request campaign fully hands-off. Now for businesses with more custom workflows, NiceJob has strong integrations through Zapier, letting you link it with thousands of other apps. So whether you use specialized booking software or email marketing tools like ActiveCampaign, you can automate your reviews as part of your bigger system. And it also gets creative, so you can add job photos from the company right into the review request as well, or connect with marketing software to ask for referrals at just the right time. And if you're worried about setup, it's actually pretty seamless. So NiceJob imports your existing contacts and matches reviews to the right employees. So managing and tracking your reputation is pretty straightforward. Think of it as kind of your personal assistant, right? Making sure that every happy customer is nudged at the perfect moment and every positive review lands right where your future clients are searching. Now next, let's see how NiceJob not only collects reviews, but also helps you manage, customize, and leverage them for maximum impact. And when it comes to managing reviews, automation is just the beginning. What really sets NiceJob apart are all the options for customizing requests, filtering feedback, responding like a pro, and promoting the best customer stories. There's quite a few things, so let's go ahead and break it down into a list here. So number one is customizable requests. NiceJob lets you tailor your review requests so that they match your brand's voice, whether that's friendly and casual, professional and buttoned up, or anything in between. You can personalize messages with the customer's name, details about their service, or even add photos of the finished job, like cleaning windows or a neat lawn, helping customers really remember their positive experience that they had. Number 2 is feedback routing. So NiceJob isn't just about blasting requests to everyone. You get control over who's asked to leave public feedback and how. Now, the platform can also screen responses. So when a customer gives positive feedback, NiceJob encourages them to leave an online review, but if someone isn't happy, it directs them to send a private feedback message instead. This means that you're not inviting negative reviews out into the wild, but you're still catching issues and learning from those critical customer responses. Number 3 here is showcase reviews easily. So once those glowing reviews start rolling in, NiceJob makes it easy to show them off where they matter the most, which is on your website. Just head over to Settings, Product Settings, and Widgets, and then select the Stories widget. Here you can choose whether to display only photo reviews, text-only reviews, or all stories together. And the all stories option is usually best, by the way. Now, when you're happy with how it actually looks, simply click to copy the code and paste it into your site, ideally on a dedicated testimonials or review page. And from there, every new review that you collect will automatically appear on your website, helping boost your SEO, build trust with your visitors, and increase conversions without any extra work. And since the reviews update automatically, your best customer stories stay fresh and visible where future customers are already looking. Number 4 is encouraging return customers. So NiceJob doesn't stop at collecting reviews either. It also helps you turn happy customers into loyal returning clients. With the Get Repeats campaign, you can automate personalized follow-up messages that go out after a service is completed, reminding customers to book again. Now, these reminders are perfectly timed and completely hands-off, so you stay top of mind without lifting a finger. Now, with this, you can link your booking data, set how soon to reach out, customize the message, and then switch the campaign on. And from there, NiceJob tracks how much revenue those repeat bookings actually bring in, often boosting profits and keeping your schedule full, all while saving you hours of manual follow-ups. Number 5 is automated referrals. So once a customer leaves a positive review, the system can automatically invite them to refer friends and family, often with built-in incentives like discounts or rewards. These campaigns run on autopilot, helping you generate new business from your happiest customers without lifting a finger. It's a simple, scalable way to turn a great job into several new clients. Moving on to number 6 here, we have automated gifting. So after repeat bookings or successful referrals, the platform can automatically send thank you gifts such as digital gift cards or special offers to show appreciation and encourage loyalty. It's really an effortless way to make customers feel valued and keep them coming back. And finally, number 7, AI-generated replies. So responding to reviews shows customers that you care, but coming up with fresh responses every time, that can burn a lot of time. With NiceJob, you can set up AI-powered replies, choosing tone, length, and even picking which reviews to auto-respond to, like only the positive ones. If a customer leaves a glowing 5-star review, the system can reply automatically with a warm thank you, keeping the engagement up while saving effort. Now, for more sensitive reviews, you can still reply manually when you want to add a more personal touch. And the last thing to know, all the organizing and responding, it all happens from one dashboard. You can see which reviews are coming in, filter by date or platform, and track responses. There's no need to bounce between accounts at all. Plus, NiceJob tags and matches reviews to the right employees or jobs, so feedback makes sense for you and your team. So what does all this mean for the real world businesses out there? Well, instead of scrambling to manage your reputation on a dozen websites, NiceJob centralizes, automates, and customizes the process so more of your good work goes recognized. Now, up next here, let's break down how collecting more reviews boosts your trust and credibility and actually moves the needle for your business growth. When your business consistently shows off positive recent reviews, potential customers are much more likely to give you a shot because they see that others are happy with your work. It's like turning word of mouth into a digital handshake, right? NiceJob doesn't just collect reviews. It helps put your best ones front and center on your website and social pages, giving visitors instant social proof. Plus, having lots of reviews can push your business higher in search results, making it easier for people to find you in the first place. And over time, your online reputation, it becomes a magnet for new customers, all driven by the honest feedback of your current clients. Now, if you're curious about how NiceJob could really fit with your business, again, go ahead and click right up here to try out their 14-day free trial to see if it's a good match for your needs. No credit card required. It's really a quick way to see firsthand how much easier managing reviews can be. Now let's shift over to analytics and reporting here, which let you track your progress and really understand what customers think. NiceJob offers a handy dashboard that tracks all your review activity in real time. You can see exactly how many reviews you're getting, which platforms are performing best, and your overall star rating across Google, Facebook, and more. The analytics don't just show numbers. They help you spot trends, compare different periods, and even track which team members are bringing in the most positive feedback. Okay, so next up here, let's go ahead and dive into kind of the pros and cons breakdown to lay out where NiceJob really shines and where it might fall a little bit short for some. Okay, so on the plus side here, the automation makes collecting reviews super easy. You can set it and forget it and watch your review count climb each week without much manual effort at all. Business owners really love how NiceJob just grabs feedback while they handle the other tasks. Plus, being able to customize review requests, use AI replies, and push top testimonials to social media really helps keep your reputation lively and appealing to new customers. NiceJob's integrations are also a huge bonus. So whether you're working with Google, Facebook, QuickBooks, or tools like Jobber, syncing up is mostly seamless. The customer support team also gets high marks for quick answers and steady improvements. And some businesses have seen their Google reviews climb from barely anything to hundreds in just a few months by using it. But of course, there are some drawbacks. So the dashboard, while useful, can feel a bit overwhelming for people with multiple business locations. And some find that switching between locations or tracking reviews to be less intuitive than they'd like. From my own research, a few users wish that the mobile experience was smoother. And another common frustration is that certain features like exporting reviews or customizing referral flows, that can be restrictive, and not all review platforms such as Yelp allow for direct integration due to their own limitations. And for field service businesses, teaching the team to use the mobile app or collect reviews on the ground, it may take a little bit of getting used to. So overall, NiceJob shines for small and medium business owners who want a simple way to ramp up positive reviews, but those with complex needs should probably note a few quirks. But now that you know a whole lot about NiceJob, let's talk about something that's always important, which is the pricing. The truth is, NiceJob keeps its pricing pretty straightforward, making it accessible whether you're a solo operation or managing a growing team. The basic reviews plan that starts at $75 per month, and it gives you the core automated review collection, reminders, social sharing, and integrations with most popular sites and CRMs. Now, for those who want more bells and whistles like AI replies or automated referral and booking campaigns and advanced competitor insights, the Pro plan runs at $125 per month. Now, both plans do come with a 14-day free trial so that you can test everything risk-free. And there are no contracts or setup fees, and you don't even need a credit card to get started. This makes it easy to dip your toes in and see value before making a bigger commitment. Ultimately, NiceJob's pricing aims to pay for itself by helping you win new business and nurture loyal customers, all while saving you time and hassle. Now again, to get a free trial to see NiceJob yourself, go ahead and click right up here to check it out and get the best pricing possible if you decide to upgrade later. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about the process, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. And one last thing to remember, if you're able to just get one new job a month, most likely you're paying for NiceJob as a whole anyway, so it's worth checking out. But all that said, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.